Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically mute your microphone when you log in on your PlayStation 5. So the PS5 controller has a microphone built into the controller, so it's always on, and you have to press the button under the PlayStation button on your controller to mute it. Otherwise, you can come to this section right here and just go to mute. But there's a way to automatically mute this if we go up to the top to settings, scroll on down until we get to sound. Then go to the right under microphone and go to microphone status when logged in. This setting might not work for some devices that have mute functions, but we can just go to mute. When you log into your account, if you look at your controller, there should be a little red light now under the PlayStation button, and this should automatically mute your microphone. So when you jump into a game or something like that, people aren't going to hear you speak or your background noise or something like that, and you won't forget that it's unmuted. So just look at this as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.